Hey guys, this is Judy from judinkanailart. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. Today I am hosting a theme for seashells through our Facebook group, and I am very excited to use this stamping plate from Jubas. It has some really cute seashell designs and I wanted to use it for a while. I have a few ladies who joined me for this collab, so thank you so much to all of you who did, and I hope you enjoyed this theme as much as I did. I will leave for you everything in the description box, so make sure that you check out all the links after you watched my videos and show some love to all of the ladies who joined me. And I will also have their pictures at the end of my video. And of course, if you do like nail art tutorials, then don't forget to thumbs up my video for me. And if you are new here, coming from the other channels, or you just found me and you do like what you see on my channel, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them for me in the comment section below. And I think that's it for this intro, so I do hope everybody is still enjoying their summer weather. I am so happy that this year we finally have a summer, because the last couple of years we got mainly rain even during summer days. So I am really enjoying the warm and sunny days. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.